So when I think of the success stories and the moment of time that we're in now with our customers, I see two buckets emerging. The first is around transformation. So that's taking a pretty traditional program, one that is at scale, that has been working fine enough for years and years and is quite established. And looking there and saying, hey, with this existing program, how can we implement the newest technologies? How can we implement AI to transform the program that we're currently doing? So transformation is that first bucket, and I'll provide an example there too. But the second bucket, that to Sylvia's point, is where the fun really happens and the exciting conversations are really starting to trend towards over even the past 9 to 12 months, is around entering a true partnership with our customers and not only looking at, okay, what can we do from a transformational perspective with translation, multimedia support, things that you're already doing, but how can we also apply AI in very innovative and new ways that are specific to your business at scale that meet and that might have fingers out into other pieces of the business. And I'll give an example there. Jumping back to transformation. First that comes to mind, as it was quite recent, I had the pleasure of working with Marion Technologies, one of our customers, and they came to us with a pretty standard business problem, right? We have a translation program that has been working fine enough, but we have two major pain points. One is that often we have launches into new languages or launches with, new product lines where we have a big backlog that we have to get through quickly in order to launch and make this information available to our global customers in whatever language they choose. And then on the flip side of that same coin is not only is getting through like a backlog really clunky and cumbersome and time consuming and expensive, but then trying to also deal with the small day-to-day workflow and requests is also more difficult than it should be for the size of requests that we're getting from our internal stakeholders. And so this is a classic case of taking an existing program and being able to really transform it with technology with AI at scale. So we were able to go in and via systems connectors to automate content transfer to and from Lilt in tandem with leveraging Lilt's verified in context workflow, which is just RAI, we are able to really transform and allow to make these processes that were once really cumbersome, expensive, and clunky, just really seamless, more cost effective. And we're operationalizing that AI for them. And they're not really having to change their day-to-day much, right? We're transforming their current program, but their stakeholders, there's no huge change management.